Hello everybody, welcome back to my another video. So today we'll be talking about how to fix Life360 too many false crash alerts. So to fix this issue, we can start by training the algorithm. One of the most immediate fixes is report false alerts. After a false alert, Life360 sends a survey asking if it was a real accident. Filling this out helps the app's AI learn as they intentionally err on the side of caution. Now, if you receive a "was that a crash" notification, quickly tap it and select "I'm okay" to prevent it from alerting your family circle. Now, the next what you can do is adjust in-app settings. You can just simply go to your Life360 app and then go to your settings at the top left corner and scroll down to universal settings section. You'll find drive detection. Tap on it and just toggle it off. Now the next what you can do is open your Life360 app and then navigate to a safety tab at the bottom of your screen and verify crash detection settings. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you like this video. See you in my next one.